Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make a shimmering, tan-enhancing body and face oil. This oil is made with natural ingredients and its rich color comes from carotenoids found in red sweet pepper and calendula flowers. The addition of golden and brown mica gives the skin a sun-kissed look and helps enhance your tan. Plus, the shimmer looks beautiful in sunlight or artificial lighting, making it perfect not just for summer days, but also for evening outings. To make the carotene-infused oil, which is the base of this recipe, I use 4 full tablespoons of dried calendula petals and 4 tablespoons of sweet pepper powder. I pour in enough oil to fully cover the ingredients. I'm using safflower oil here, but you can also use rice oil, sunflower oil, jojoba or almond oil. Cover the jar and place it in a water bath for about an hour. The water level should cover the oil level inside the jar, and the temperature should stay around 60–70 degrees Celsius. Shake the jar occasionally to help release more active ingredients into the oil. Once the infusion is ready, set it aside to cool slightly, then strain it through a cloth or cheesecloth to remove any particles. It's best to do this while the oil is still warm, as it flows more easily. To prepare the body oil, measure out 20 grams of cocoa butter, 74 grams of the infused oil, and about a teaspoon of each mica. I used both golden and brown mica, but feel free to adjust the amount or type based on your preferences. You can use just gold mica for a subtle shimmer, or add brown to deepen the tan effect. Melt everything together in a water bath, stirring until the cocoa butter is fully dissolved. Once the oil mixture cools down, I add 1 gram of vitamin E. This boosts the oil's antioxidant properties and helps protect it from oxidation. I also add 5 drops of rosewood essential oil and 5 drops of chocolate fragrance oil. You can customize the scent to your liking, but I recommend avoiding citrus essential oils in summer as they can increase sun sensitivity. And if your skin is very sensitive, you can skip the fragrance or essential oils completely. Mix everything and pour it into a clean, dry bottle. The best option is dark glass bottle to protect it from light. Now let me show you my first impression after applying the oil. It gives the skin a gorgeous natural color. You can clearly see the difference between my two arms. Once absorbed, it doesn't leave a greasy layer, just a beautiful sheen thanks to the mica. It also leaves the skin feeling nicely moisturized. Keep in mind that the oil might stain light colored clothes, so try to apply a small amount and let it fully absorb before getting dressed or use darker clothes. You can also use pure carotene oil on its own. You can add a few drops to your favorite cosmetics or use it as a base for new DIY products. Even without mica, it gives the skin a lovely, healthy glow. And here is the mica version for comparison. The mica shimmers beautifully in the sunlight, but I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. And interestingly, the shimmer can still be visible even after a shower. To get the best result, make sure to shake the bottle before each use to evenly distribute the mica. Here is a little tip from me. I like to apply a tiny bit of this oil to my face. As you know, I use my homemade physical sunscreens with zinc oxide, and if the concentration is high, they can leave a white cast. I gently apply the oil over the sunscreen, being careful to not rub it off. As you can see, no more white cast. To finish, I apply a bit of loose powder to set everything, and my skin is ready to go. This combo can even work as a natural foundation. The zinc oxide provides great coverage, and the mica adds a radiant glow. And finally, I want to show you a version of the oil without mica, but with a delicious coconut chocolate scent instead. Just measure out 50 grams of coconut oil and 20 grams of cocoa butter. Melt them together in a water bath until the cocoa butter is completely dissolved. Then add part of the carotene-infused oil and mix everything well. Pour it into a bottle, then top up with the remaining macerated oil. Add a few drops of vitamin E and some chocolate and coconut fragrance oil to enhance the natural scent. Close the bottle, give it a good shake, and it's ready to use. Once fully cooled, the oil will thicken slightly. It's perfect to take with you, for example, to the beach. Just remember, although this oil helps protect your skin from free radicals, it is not a sunscreen, so be sure to use high SPF protection if you are going to be out in the sun. Let me know what do you think of those recipes in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!